Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on a Chromebook. Many people think Chromebooks aren't for gaming, but that's not entirely true. You have two excellent options to enjoy Call of Duty on your device. First, you can stream full PC or console versions using cloud gaming. Second, you can download the mobile version directly. Both methods offer a fantastic way to experience the action-packed world of Call of Duty right on your Chromebook, bringing the battlefield to your fingertips. For the full Call of Duty experience, cloud gaming is your best bet. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream PC versions of games, like Warzone, directly to your Chromebook. Alternatively, Xbox Cloud Gaming provides access to console titles, with many available through an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. These services handle all the heavy processing on remote servers, meaning your Chromebook only needs a good internet connection, ideally 10 megabits per second or faster, to deliver high-quality gameplay. If you prefer a native experience, Call of Duty, mobile is readily available. You can download this version directly from the Google Play Store on your Chromebook, just like any other Android app. This mobile-optimized game offers popular modes, including fast-paced 5 vs 5 team deathmatches and thrilling 100-player battle royales. For the best performance, make sure your Chromebook runs Android 9.0 or newer, and has at least 4 GB of RAM and 1 GB of storage space. To get the most out of your Call of Duty sessions on a Chromebook, a few tips can help. First, prioritize a strong and stable internet connection. A wired connection is often best for cloud gaming. Second, using a compatible Bluetooth controller can significantly enhance your gameplay, offering much better precision than a keyboard and trackpad. Finally, close any extra browser tabs or applications running in the background to ensure your Chromebook dedicates its resources to the game, providing a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.